Hi guys and welcome to Fix Market Strategy. We look at the Hi Mr. Azim, how are you? Hi Mr. Quena. Hi Mr. Hassan. Guys, you can see the goal now. I don't think this is gonna go for long, but we can take a small buy here with a stop loss just right below this one. But don't be too heavy in this one because this may come back again. Okay. As you guys can see, the bound is strong right now. The strain is really weak, so this will offer a bound Australian buy. The bound Australian has been flying, but I would avoid this now for now. If you didn't join this one, wait a little bit because this is so fast of two candles in last 8 hours. $200 pips so far, so wait a little bit, see what happens. As we expect, Euro possibly will continue up for a little bit here. So don't sell Euro dollar yet. If you're on a buy, it's okay. We want to get the top right here, okay? From here, probably we're gonna sell right there. A Euro bound right here, it's probably okay signal to take after such a big rally and the MACD is given. Technically, this is a sell, okay? In the 4-hour time frame, the MACD is given a sell. The shape of the candles, it's okay to sell right here. Stop loss at the top right here. So if you want to sell this one, it's possibly okay. And let's see what happened also in New York. Gold is immediately in profit. Stop loss should be below here, not too much because this is not a very strong signal. So Yeah, leave it like this. So Australian is weak, so Euro Australian so far is a buy, I guess, and dollar also is weak. That's probably why the pound dollar is going up, euro dollar is going up, gold is going up. Dollar is sinking back here, so we probably gonna get a strong wave down. The stock market is gonna go up. So you guys, we expect this wave down here, right there. That's probably why also we're still in gold. Okay, so the gold now is in a downtrend, reversing from this upper band. So this big fall is gonna make the pound dollar, euro dollar, gold, three of them go up. Okay, so this is the wave we're looking at right now in the gold in the dollar index. This is very important so you can know what's going on. Also, possibly after a little bit, we can Euro Japanese yen possibly is a good buy right here. Australian USD, just avoid it. It's probably gonna go up, but it's better to avoid. It's been not moving too much lately. DAX did fall a little bit today. We want to buy, but we don't want to buy from here. We want to wait a little bit. Let's see if the price will come down to this area right here like this. This possibly will come one wave down before it will go up right there. Then after this will reverse back up here. We may get a triangle right here, guys. You see, this may contract like a triangle shape like this.
Incoming mail.
Okay guys, so we're back here. So for the Dow, you guys watch out, this is an uptrend, okay? So don't take any sell. This is a really good area to be buying the Dow, going for this target. All this is your target right there. So this is what we're talking about from here to here, 1,100 points, okay? So this, we're looking at something like this move right here, similar to this one right here. Okay, similar to this one right here, similar to that one also. Okay, so this is the next move in the Dow. In my opinion, I think this is going to even extend further up. This is going to go even further up than this. It's going to go past the 30,000. So this is a really good buy, guys, for the Dow, long term. Don't go crazy. Use your risk management in case it will come to retest this lower band right here. Maybe, maybe not, but just in case it does happen. But I don't think it's gonna go below this trend line right here, this support area. And you can, if you look at the time also, once it does rise here, it takes a certain amount of time before it does rise again. And you can measure this time. Sorry guys about this. So we can measure this right here. We can see that they take almost same time here. Then it did. This is to go down, right? Let's fix it a little bit. So it did take this time, it did go fast, but it did take that much time to go down. Then it did take a little bit longer, but kind of close right here. It did take some time to do correction right here. So right here also stick it. It's not exactly 100%, it's a little bit different, but you get the idea, okay? So right here we're just about the end of this correction time zone. So now big chance you're gonna rally was in this week. Okay, this is how you can determine is the rally is gonna be this week, next week. You know, taking just an average, how does it move? If you wanna look at this from a different way, you can get an idea right here what's happening, right? It's almost moving in this channel right here, this one. And you can see the support area and all this stuff. Okay. This was broken, but I don't think this is gonna continue down. I think it's gonna reverse back up. So this area, support, which is the same level as this one, right? And this one, you can see it's support here. It was a resistance here. It was a resistance here one time, resistance two time, support here, you know. And probably if you zoom it, it's gonna be at 27,700. It was a very strong level. See, right there, right there. If you zoom further more, probably it's gonna be also something on the other side here. See, right there. And if you extend it also, it's right there. It's a very strong level. So here, maximum, this is may come down a little bit, but after this is gonna bounce back up. This is good when you kind of, okay, when you buy, you want to take profit, you get out either to the top of this channel or to the top of this, I mean the top of this box or the top of the channel, the upper band of the channel, and you get profit and get out. You wait the correction and the time zone. So every single one of those is a time zone. So the trend will not move very fast unless there is a sell-off in the market or something, but it will take its time a little bit. If you want to, this is the full move right here. If you want to look at the full move itself, like this, see the good thing is, this is daily. You can see it did rally so fast. Usually the market go in 45-degree, like an average, okay? What I mean by an average, you can see the market did rally so up. That was the Feds. Then it did rally so fast again. But if you look an average, the market did go from point to point at 45-degree right here. If we take this previous channel off. Okay guys, what we mean by the market moves in 45-degree is between 40 to 50, but an average 45. You can see this was the Fed's interference in the market, and they did push the price so fast, so high, so fast. When that price travels too far, too fast, it must take time to make up for this price volatility in short period of time. So all this area, all this right here, possibly up to here, I'm gonna take this 27 level off, was a correction for this up wave right here. This up wave from here to there. So all this up wave, because it was so fast to the top right here, from the bottom here, so it did take some time to correct for this fast movement. But possibly you can say this is, it did break to the upside, it's come back to retest. I think it's gonna bounce back up. This is a very big chance. And also if you look at this lower band right here, this red one, it did come to this one here. So possibly this will end up being a good buy. But buy it was in New York session with market, market price action stuff. Looking at the indexes, see, this is what we're talking about in the weekly forecast. Don't rush the buy. See, the bond is reversing right now. See, this probably is gonna end up a big fall. So the bond index is falling, guys, and the best probably to trade this against. Guys, I think remember what we said in the weekly forecast. Bound start falling, so bound CHF is probably the best. So we're gonna sell bound CHF, guys. We're gonna take this signal here. We're gonna scalping, okay? So any bound here is scalping, guys. Because high volatility, you want to be, you don't want to be exposed too much. Stop loss right here. This is the 1 hour time frame. And this is the trap we discussed in the weekly forecast, and that's our target right here. We're gonna go for 110 pips. Okay, if we go 30-hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, this is a trade. I'm gonna take the MACD off. Here, those are the two limits we're trading right now. Hopefully we can catch this fall right here, and we're gonna type here sell bond. Yeah, stop loss should be around 1.1690 or so. Don't go for too much. Okay, guys. But as we said, this is something. Don't risk more than 1%, especially we are on the first day in the week and stuff. So don't take it easy. So we still have a full week to see what happened in the market. Don't go heavy in anything. What I can say is the bound bears are gonna come down, not go up, because the problem is not really solved. So this, in my opinion, was just a correction. I think we discussed this so much we can delete it now. See, start reversing back right here. This was just a correction, start coming back. Okay, so take it easy, don't take anything heavy right now. And this was correction to the 61.8 level. But this is from the top, so I think it's like around the 23, so from bottom. Gold is going good so far, guys, so best of luck in the gold. Dow, if it will fall to 27,500 again, then start going back up, then buy it. What I mean by this is, imagine this is imagine this will come down right here. It will come 27,500, then bounce back up. It must bounce back up. You can catch it right here like this. This will be really nice entry right here, this area right there. Best entry will be in New York session, not now. So you wait New York and go with the trend. If it does break above here, also above the 28, buy it also. Okay, this if it does break above here, it will continue up. It's going up anyway. It's not gonna go down much. Any down is just a correction, but this is going up for sure. Gold is doing really nice. So you guys, hopefully this will work out all the way up here. So let's see what happens.